How to enable and use VR mode in YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable and use VR mode in YouTube. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply search for the videos that you like. And now here, once you've found the video, just tap on it to open it. And now here, once you're inside the video, what you can do is just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the video. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, just tap on more. And after that, on the next pop-up menu, you just have to tap on the option labeled as Watch in VR. And here, you can just tap on continue, and here, just like that, you have enabled the VR mode in YouTube. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.